Today's homework, children, page number 63, second question from exercise 3.6, second question. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers and even numbers and odd numbers? First of all, you have to know the meaning of consecutive. Consecutive nothing but already I said in previous class. It's a continuous. What is the meaning? Continuous. Now we need to verify or we need to find the HCF for any two consecutive numbers, means any two continuous numbers. Let us see how to do this question. I am taking now two continuous numbers, for example 4 and 5. So see here, first one 4 and 5. Then what is the HCF for these two numbers? What are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And what are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. If you observe, what are the common factors from these both? Common factors are is 1 only here. 1 is common for 4 and 5. What is meant by HCF? Highest common factor. Here there is no highest and there is no smallest. Only we have one common factor, that is 1. So the answer is 1. Here if you observe, for any two continuous numbers we don't have the common factors, and as we know 1 is a factor for every number. So if you don't have any common factors, 1 becomes as a common factor. So the HCF for any consecutive numbers is 1 only. Like this, take more two examples and try to solve this question in the classwork. Next one, BBT is a even numbers. I am taking here one example, how to find out HCF for two consecutive even numbers. Not for any two even numbers, only consecutive even numbers. I am taking 2 and 4. These two are the consecutive even numbers. Now what are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are 1, 2 and then nothing, 1 and 2. Next, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So from this, what are the common factors? Here the common factors are 1 and 2. So the HCF, highest common factor, we have two common factors. Among these both, the 2 is highest one, greatest one. So the HCF is 2. Let me take one more example. So I am taking 10 and 12. These two also continuous even numbers. Then what are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay ma. Now if you observe from these both the set of factors, what are the common factors? Common factors are 1 and 2. So the highest common factor is 2 only. If you take any two consecutive even numbers, we will get HCF as 2 only, because even numbers means the numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. So 2 is common for all the even numbers. 2 is a common factor for all the even numbers. So definitely we will get HCF as 2 only. Take more two examples and verify this HCF for two consecutive even numbers. In the same way, see one odd numbers. try it for the odd numbers also. Do these all the questions in the classwork. Now look at the third question in the next page, page number 64. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 can be written as 2 times of 2, 2 into 2, and 15 can be written as 3 times of 5, 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? This is a third question and it's very simple. First of all, try to understand the given question. Two numbers are given, 4 and 15. So, if you try to write prime factors for 4, we will get 2 into 2, and for 15, 3 into 5. What is the definition of highest common factor? From all these factors, which one is highest? That is a highest common factor. If you observe, for 4, 2 into 2, for 15, 3 into 5, there is no common factor, isn't it? So, what they are saying, if there is no common factor, can you consider HCF as 0? Is it correct? You may think it is correct, but it is not correct, Nana. Let me explain why 0 is not correct by taking this same question. Yeah, see here, what are the two numbers given? 4 and 15. 4, what they take in prime factors? 2 2's. And the second number is 15. 15 can be written as 3 5's. As we saw the definition of HCF, common factor for given numbers, highest common factor. For 4 and 15, there is no common factor because 2 times there for 4, 3 and 5 for the 15. Is there any common number here? There is no common number, means there is no common factor. Then why should we consider HCF as 0? Because if there is no number, simply 0 represents nothing, emptiness. So, shall we take here HCF for this both the numbers as a 0? HCF for both the numbers as 0. Now only has said this is wrong, because if you observe carefully, 1 is factor for every number. So 1 we can write for 4, 1 into 2 into 2. It does not change the value. 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4. In the same way, if you write 1 for 15 also, 1 3's are 3, 3 5's are 15. Here also it does not change the answer. Why we are going to write 1 here? Because there is no common factor. As we know properties of factors, 1 is common factor for every number. So, as 1 is common factor for every number, here we get common factor as 1. Then obviously HCF becomes 1 only. So, if you take any two co-prime numbers, then their HCF becomes 1 but not 0. For example, if you take HCF as 0, then what will happen? If you consider HCF as a 0, see here Nana, if you take HCF as a 0, then what does it mean? The highest common factor for both the numbers is 0, isn't it? So 0 is a factor for 4. This is the meaning. 0 is a factor for 4 and 0 is the factor for 15 also. Factor means, can I write like this in the multiplication process? Yes. So, if you see 0 into any number becomes 0, then this total 4 also becomes 0. Here this 4 also becomes 0 and 15 also becomes 0. Got it, Nana? That's why 0 is not highest common factor for any two numbers. So, if you don't have common factors, simply we can take 1 as a highest common factor. Okay.